Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com and I'm currently on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. We are on the inaugural cruise right now and the ship is absolutely beautiful. So this cabin right here is a balcony. So there's several different categories of balconies that are all the exact same. It just kind of depends on where they are on the ship. But this is really the standard balcony cabin on board the Encore. So as soon as you come in here, you'll notice you've got the makeup room, do not disturb lights in here. I really like that, so you don't have to worry about putting a sticker or something outside like a magnet. Down here you've got your light switch, but also it's important to know that you've got to keep the key card in at all times. Otherwise, the electricity is not going to work, including the charging. So if you're charging during the day, you want to leave that in. Just something to keep in mind. You also have your temperature control here. And let me head into the bathroom. So the bathrooms on this class of ship, I think, are really nice for a couple reasons. So one, you have this acrylic outside of the shower. So I hate when the shower curtains push in on you. You can close this. I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6'6". I can fit in here pretty well. You've got your clothesline here to dry those bathing suits when you come in from the beach. Okay. So as you head over here, you've got a little bit of storage down here, tiny bit of storage up here, not a ton of room to actually put things away, which I really like on a cruise. You've got the toilet there, of course. One thing to point out is they do have the refillable soap here, and then also in the shower, you've got the refillable body wash and shampoo conditioner. Norwegian's going with that fleet-wide, and I think most of the cruise lines are as well to stick with their message of conservation. So let's head on out now into the room. Got a couple hooks here for the towels, and then a couple here for jackets and things when you come in. Okay. One little tip that I will often bring is magnetic hooks, so you can make more, basically they don't affect the wall at all, but basically you can put them up because they are magnetic. So one of the fun things that I bring along on my cruises. Right here is the closet. So there's two configurations. Sometimes you're set up with a couch here. Sometimes you're set up with the bed on this side and the couch closest to the sliding glass door. But basically, when you're here, one of the things that I don't absolutely love about this room category is that sometimes it's tough to access the closet. So right now I have a friend. We're both sharing a room here. They're on the couch, and basically anytime I need to get anything in and out of the closet, I have to reach over them. But that said, it's quite a bit of room. You've got several stacking shelves here. You also have your safe here. You can open that up. It's big enough for your personal belongings, but it's not big enough for a laptop, something that you might want to keep in mind. You've got the hanging storage over here. Once again, you got to kind of scoot in here to access it. So you got the hangers there, and then more storage, of course, on the ground and up top. All right. Let's head over to the vanity area. So right now you've got still and sparkling water there that you can purchase through room service. You've got your Mr. Coffee Maker that is complimentary. Little chair under here so you can turn this into a vanity if you like. You've got your phone. There's 3 American plugs and then there's 1 European plug. I generally bring extra Europe plugs that way that you can use them and basically use all the outlets in the ship. Right here you've got your phone. Underneath you got the mini fridge. More storage here. Actually goes back pretty far back there. More storage underneath as well. You've got your flat screen TV with the remote here. You'll use the remote to access your online account, menus, all kinds of stuff can be accessed through there, as well as the Norwegian app. You want to make sure and download the app so that you can utilize it throughout your entire cruise. So next to the bed, I wanted to point out that you've got USB chargers here. You also have a nice night lamp, a lamp, and then also the entire room is backlit with LED lights, which makes it a nice atmosphere, especially in the evening. So here's your bed. It's a large queen. It can be taken apart or it can be put together. So if you take it apart, they'll just put these separators here right in the middle. But right now it's set up in a large queen configuration. So let me head over to the other side. You're gonna have a mirror of that side. So you've got a nice reading lamp here. You've got your USB chargers. Turn the lights on and off here. Okay, and then just a tiny bit of storage on the side. And once again, this is a balcony stateroom, the most prevalent on the entire ship. So let's go check out the balcony, which is why you would get this room. All right, so now I'm heading out to the balcony. So for me personally, being on the balcony of a cruise ship with a nice cup of coffee in the morning is one of my favorite places to be in the entire world. So for me, this is plenty of space. You can have some room service out here. Like I said, you can have coffee service in the morning. It's not a ton of space, but if there's 2 of you, perfect. 3 starts to become a stretch. But I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, this is the most prevalent room on board the ship. There's an absolute ton of them, and it's a perfect option for quite a few people. Thank you so much for taking your time to join me today on this tour of the balcony cabin on board the Encore. She is an absolutely beautiful ship. This is the most prevalent room on the ship, and I know that you'll like it. It may be the absolute perfect option for you. Make sure that you like this video, that you subscribe to our page, and then you make sure you click the notifications. We've got a ton of awesome stuff coming up here from Norwegian, from Royal Caribbean, from several other cruise lines. So if you like the room tours, the full ship tours, and then also some tips and tricks, make sure that you join us. Love to see you in the future.